Welcome to Legendary Hacks. Signal is a mobile messaging application just like WhatsApp, but after the last WhatsApp updates, it appears to be better than WhatsApp. Signal is a messaging app available for iPhone, iPad, Android, and other operating systems. The app is developed by a non-profit company called Signal Foundation and Signal Messenger SLLC. It's totally free app and also have a very secure privacy policy which definitely doesn't include collecting data. Well, you may wonder what makes Signal app so special beside all features on WhatsApp. When you add friends to group, they have to accept first before they automatically add it. Disappearing messages, and this feature lets you send messages and automatically delete them according to the time you set, from 5 seconds to week. Beside these features, you can audio call, video call, and text messages, send locations, share files, and more. You can download the app from Play Store. You will find the link below in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to receive any news.